Welcome to this installation video of the Olixar Film Screen Protector. This should not take you any more than 5 minutes to complete. To start with, clean the screen with the included wet wipes, making sure you remove all dirt from the screen. Now, you'll need to dry it with the included microfiber cloth. Again, ensure you remove all moisture from the screen in this process. Next, use the dust collector and dab it on the screen to remove any dust or debris. Take your time with this step as it's very important not to get anything trapped underneath the protector. Now, peel back tab labelled 1 to expose the adhesive side. Carefully align the screen protector with your phone, then press down using the application card or your finger. With the application card, firmly run it along the screen to ensure the film is attached well and there are no bubbles. If there are any bubbles, just push them towards the edge of the protector to release them. Now it's time to peel back tab 2. When doing so, ever so slightly hold down the corner of the film with the application card to ensure it does not come up with it. If your phone has an in-screen fingerprint reader, you will need to re-add this to ensure that it works as it should. And there you go, your screen is now protected with the Olixar's Film Screen Protector.